The courage to speak up. Once upon a time, in a bustling city called Viridian, there lived a young woman named Layla. Layla was known for her quiet and reserved nature, often blending into the background of conversations and gatherings. She had a gentle heart and a sharp mind, but a fear of rejection and judgment held her back from expressing herself openly. One day, Veridian City was hit by a wave of corruption. The mayor, a charismatic figure loved by the community, was discovered to be involved in a series of fraudulent activities that exploited the citizens and undermined their trust. The city fell into a state of chaos and despair as people became afraid to voice their concerns, fearing retaliation from the powerful mayor. Layla watched as her beloved city suffered under the weight of this corruption. She saw the frustration and helplessness in the eyes of her fellow citizens. Deep within her, a fire ignited, fueling her desire to make a change. Overcoming her own self-doubt, Layla found the courage to speak up. She began by writing anonymous letters, detailing the mayor's wrongdoing, and distributing them throughout the city. Through her carefully chosen words, she ignited a spark of hope in the hearts of the people, reminding them that they were not alone in their discontent. As the anonymous letters spread, Layla's words started resonating with the citizens, inspiring them to come together and demand justice. Small gatherings turned into rallies, and the voiceless found strength in their shared purpose. But the corrupt mayor was not willing to let go of his power easily. He launched a campaign to discredit and silence those who dared to question him. In the face of adversity, Layla's resolve grew stronger. She stepped out of the shadows and revealed herself as the author of the anonymous letters. With her true identity exposed, Layla faced the wrath of the mayor and his supporters. They tried to intimidate her, hoping to break her spirit and halt the growing resistance. But Layla refused to be silenced. She spoke with unwavering conviction, exposing the mayor's misdeeds and rallying the citizens to stand up for what was right. Her bravery inspired countless others to find their voices as well. People from all walks of life united, refusing to back down in the face of corruption. Their collective strength grew into an unstoppable force that could not be ignored. Ultimately, the mayor's reign of corruption came to an end. Through the resilience and determination of Layla and the citizens of Viridian, a new era of transparency and accountability emerged. Layla's courage to speak up became a symbol of hope, reminding everyone that even in the darkest times, a single voice can ignite change and restore justice. From that day forward, Layla became a beacon of inspiration in Veridian City. Her story echoed through the streets, inspiring future generations to find their own voices and fight for what they believed in. The courage to speak up, once hidden within Layla, now lived on in the hearts of all those she had touched. Learn new vocabularies in a short story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.